Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to fix the MULTIVERSUS game not launching. So let's get started. First of all, go down to your taskbar and right click. Now over here choose and select Task Manager. Now over here you'll see many processes running. Just click on any one of them and now type M on your keyboard. If nothing pops up then you're fine, but if MULTIVERSUS does pop up, make sure to right click and click on End Task. Now the next step will involve the Steam shortcut on your desktop. So for example, if you don't have it, go to the search bar, search for Steam, and you'll see an option for Send to Desktop. Click on it. So right click on Steam, and on the last option you'll see Properties. Click on it. Now make sure and go to the compatibility section. Now over here under compatibility mode, make sure to turn on run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8. Now make sure to disable full screen optimization, and also enable run this program as an administrator. Now click on apply and OK, and now restart your PC once, and there you go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye.